मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और अशोक सम्राट जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ संविधान सिर्फ एक किताब नहीं बल्कि अनेक बलिदानों की गाथा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल आता था। A very fanatic good morning to respected principal ma'am, honorable chief guest, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shivangi Rathore and I'm from class 11th Humanities. Today, I'm standing here not just as a student of the school, but as a young citizen who believes that understanding a nation is as important as celebrating it. I would like to share a few reflections on how our India is shaping its future. Let me start with the most important fact. When the Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January 1950, India did not just become a republic. India made a promise to itself to grow with justice, equality, and courage. It's just about asking ourselves a simple but powerful question that what kind of India are we building today? In recent years, India shows to the world that development and values can go hand in hand. One of the most important example of India's achievement in space science with the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3. India became the first country to reach the south pole of the moon. Now, we all assume that what makes this achievement so special? It's not just the science, it's the mindset, low cost, high impact, and global responsibility. It proves that a developing nation can also lead the world in innovation. Another revolution is happening through a digital India. From online education to digital payments, technology has reached levels, villages, students, and small businesses. A student sitting in a remote area can learn, grow, and compete with the world, all because technology was made accessible. At the same time, India is walking on its strongest force. It's women. Schemes promoting girls' education and women empowerment are not charity. They are nation building steps. Because when a girl is educated, an entire nation moves forward. Dear friends, the strength of a republic doesn't rely on missiles or machines. It relies on a young minds that questions, learn, and take responsibility. Our constitution gave us rights, but it also gave us duties. Our duty is not just to score marks. Our duty is to become aware and compassionate citizen. On this Republic Day, let us promise not just to celebrate India, but to contribute to India through our action, thoughts, and discipline. Let us be the generation